Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will prepare a qalam, a pen, bamboo pen or reed pen to write the Arabic calligraphy. And long time ago they used to say the quality of a calligrapher depend on four things. And one of them is a good qalam. The second is thick black ink. The third is the paper, good quality paper. And the fourth is the hand of the calligrapher. So these are the four conditions or characteristics that makes a good calligrapher and also makes the best artwork in calligraphy or in Arabic calligraphy. So today we will start with how to make a qalam using bamboo sticks or reed sticks or different sticks. As you can see, there are many types of bamboos. There are the big ones, and those ones you can see from different countries. They are in different colors, thicknesses, and rigidity. Some of them are very hard, some of them are very soft, as you can see this one. And a good qalam should consist of two separate nodes. We call those one nodes here and here. We call it in Arabic uqda. And the far away they are, the best it is. You may find some bamboos that are, those nodes are too close to each other here and here. So this is not a good quality of a bamboo. Like this one, you can see how far they are. So the next one is here around. So this is around more than 35 centimeter. And this one also is another bamboo, but you can see in the diameter it is very thin. It's very thin. It may be very fragile. Those ones are called disfolly. Disfolly pens or bamboos are from Persia. They are from Iran, in that area there. They are very, they are mid. They are not very strong and not very soft, but the nodes are very far from each other. The thickness is more acceptable in your hand, like you are carrying a pencil or a pen. Not like those ones. Those are huge when you hold them like this. As you can see, when you write with this and dip it in the ink, it's huge on the fingers. There are other types of qalams that are made from different materials, like those ones. This material is from bamboo. You may find the thick one, the bigger one, and they cut it and they use just a piece of it from it, and they use a normal wooden stick. There are also other material like this one. This is a very hard material, brown, and they make from it, they use only the head to make a pen, like this one. As you can see, this one, if I put a piece of paper, white paper, so you can see how it is. This head is made from this piece of material, is called Java pens. So they cut it here and then they insert it in a holder. You can be any holder. Okay, so what we can do, we can start with this Foley pen. The main how to choose your bamboo is, as we said, the nodes have to be far away. Those one you can buy them online, and the other bamboo sometimes you can find them in DIY. You can buy them and make some pens from them. It has to be straight, not bended. It has to be dark color in this Foley. The more darker, the more has been dried very well. Less white is better. And as you can see here, a pen, this is go to the soil, and the other side goes up, which means the thinner is up, the wider is down. And you may know it also from the direction of those small leaves when they are. So you know this is the direction. So we write from the direction of the thinner one. We write using how the bamboo or the plant absorbs the water from the roots. It goes up. That's why the ink goes down. That's why we use the thinner side. How we do it, we need to bring a cutter or sharpener or special knife. There are different knives, as you can see. Those ones are the one they cut with it, the carpet or any hard material. This is good for those ones. These ones are very hard. You can only cut them with those ones. Or there is special knives made for calligraphy, as you can see. Those one also can cut those ones, but it's difficult to cut the bigger ones.